up, YouTube, and all my babies? It's your girl Raresecretz coming at you today with another video. But today's topic is going to be a little different today. It's for my females. So all my ladies, you know, this is a feminine hygiene product type of haul, and I'm just going to share with you some products that I use personally. No, this is not a sponsorship, and no, just a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional, so feel free to do try and error like I did. So, you know, you just got to learn what works for your body and what doesn't. And also, before we get into the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, please, because we're all in this together and we're family. Thank you. So let's get into it. Alright, so ladies, I do have a few things that we're going to be going over. All these goodies right here. So there's steps to making sure that your pocketbook stays in check, okay? First step, we want to make sure that we are wiping correctly, okay? That's the first step. Make sure you invest in some, you know, flushable wipes. I wouldn't do that personally because it's going to mess up your septic. I know from personal experience. Or baby wipes. Baby wipes, they'll do the same thing, you know, get it very fresh, leave you fresh feeling, but just make sure if you use baby wipes that afterwards you pat dry with either some tissue or, you know, some paper towels, because we don't want moisture down there. Moisture causes problems. Okay? Another thing is, because me personally, I'm a heavier girl and, you know, I sweat a lot, and with moisture, invest in panty liners, ladies. Okay, these are just not only for when you're on your menstrual cycle. Use these, you know, it keeps the moisture out. If you notice that there's a lot of moisture in your underwear due to sweat, you know, it's okay. We've all been there, most of us, you know, more than others, but don't be afraid to use panty liners. Keep them in your purse, you know, pull them out, stuff like that. And also, second, you want to make sure that you're washing the pocketbook correctly. And when I mean washing, I mean making sure that you're getting new wash rags and tiles, you know, very frequently, because that can also cause bacteria. Then you want to make sure that you're using the correct body wash. Me personally, I have sensitive skin, so I use Dove, and sometimes I use Dove Cucumber, but I don't get too, you know, too out there when it comes to the scents due to sensitivity due to sensitivity. And this one, I want to say I got this from Gabe's. Check out your Gabe's, because this was only $5.99, and you guys that, you know, balling on the budget, we like to see a little, you know, discount. Next, we have this. Yes, this is a back washer, but me personally, I use it to get, you know, extra clean. Not saying that you're not already clean after you do the previous steps, but put that leg on the edge of that tub, and you don't go too in, because this is a brush, but, you know, just gently get up in there, you know, the places that you feel like you missed or something. If you need to reach all the way back there, use this. You can get this from Dollar Tree for $1. Next, I don't like hair personally. That's my preference. So these 5-blade razors, you can get these from Big Lots, CVS, Walgreens. It does the job. But you also want to make sure that you're using a good shaving cream. Some people use soap. I like to use shaving cream. This, I just started using this. This is from Target. This was $1, but it smells awesome. And it doesn't irritate me at all. So I like that. So after you shave, I'm the type of person I like to exfoliate. Exfoliating is not just for, you know, your limbs, your face. You want to exfoliate the pocketbook after you shave, so we can avoid any type of hair bumps, ingrown hair bumps, any irritation. That's just me personally. I like to do that after I shave. So one good investment that I did invest in, it's like a mitt. It has two sides, and you use this to like exfoliate, get any type of dead cells off of there. And while I'm exfoliating, I like to use this. I came across this one time watching a YouTube video. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Lemisol. And it's like, how can I put this? You know when you have a cold and you can't breathe out your nose, and you use some Vicks and one of those Hall's cough drops, and it's just like, hallelujah. That's what this is. It literally feels like a hoss is in your hoo-ha, but you don't put it in your pocketbook, okay? You just clean the outside to exfoliate, but it opens it up. I mean, you feel fresh, fresher than fresh. But I don't use this daily. I exfoliate, a few times a week, depending on, the person. So don't use this daily, personally, in my opinion, but it gets the job done. That's a hidden gem. Once you get that, you'll love it. Third, or before you even go to the third one, after you shave, bathe real good, you want to make sure that you dry, whether it's air dry preferably. But if you're going to use a towel, make sure you towel dry very good. Make sure nothing's wet down there and, everything like that. And after that, after I'm fully dry, I like to go in where the place where I've shaved with a little bit of aloe vera gel. I only use a pea size because this thing, you don't want moisture down there, okay? So you just use a pea size, rub your hands together, and I just, go on through, and I just let that dry. And it just basically, aloe vera, for anyone that knows, it's not only just for sunburns. You can also use it for like bites and what else? You can just use it for everything because people even use it to make hand sanitizer. So it just really depends. So it's just like after you basically you just cut all the hair or whether you wax all the hair, it gives it that soothing sensation because sometimes we could nick ourselves and stuff like that. So it just helps with that. Then third, please ladies, we want to make sure that we're wearing cotton underwear. Repeat with me, cotton underwear. Whether your preference is thongs, boy shorts, whatever the case may be, high cuts, normal, make sure they're cotton, because if they're not, all of that silk and blends, you will be irritated and you might wonder, why am I getting, a lot of yeast infections, irritation, itching? It's because that friction just keep on rubbing back and forth, and along with any type of sweat, moisture, any type of products you use down there, all of that combination is not good for your pocketbook. So make sure you wear cotton underwears. If not, when we be trying to be cute, we wearing underwear that's, a little too tight, or we didn't wore a little number for bae, and we know that the number is just up in the crack and just uncomfortable. What do we get? We get yeast. We get irritation. And what do we have to invest in? We either got to call our gyno or invest in these. So, Vagisil, this is kind of like the pre-game before the game, but not in a good way. So just make sure you're wearing cotton underwears that fit and that's comfortable, because you don't want to get that discomfort of calling your gyno. Then you're itchy, scratchy. Nobody wants to go through that. Now, ladies, this next thing, before y'all even go off, I know, you're not supposed to use powder. I know, but Vagisil, this powder, I don't put it on the pocketbook, not exactly on the pocketbook. Now me, I have a fupa. Yes, I have a fupa. Some of you might ask, now what's a fupa? A fupa is when you're, the gut part to hang a little over by the pocketbook. It's fine, because we still fine. But yes, I have a fupa, so you put this under the fupa a little bit. Or me, I'm also top heavy, so this is also my trick in the summertime. Put the little, and it's talc free, because we know that talc, that causes cancer. So we want things that's talc free, and this is it. And this is a good hack for any type of, me, I have back rows also, So we put it in the back, up here, under the fupa. That's it. We don't actually put it on the pocketbook. We don't do that. No, we don't. So after we then did our little hacks and stuff like that, we like to get our little lotion on and our little spritzy spritz with our spray. These are, I like my Bath and Body Works, and I like my Aquaphor. That's how I like to moisturize to keep my skin smooth like butter. So whatever lotion you use, I'm not going to sit up here and tell you to buy a specific type of lotion because I will be lying to you. Just whatever is good with your body chemistry, your sensitivity level and stuff like that. Another thing, not only do I like to spray my clothes, But even after you do these hacks, sometimes you just can't control your sweat glands. Me, I have oily skin and overactive sweat glands. So I'm always either shining or I'm sweating. So another hack is I like to spray my underpants. Now I don't mean like my actual underwear, my actual pants, whether it's my leggings, my jeans, my jogging pants, whatever the case may be. I like to spray the seat of those with either some Bath and Body Works or some type of feminine spray. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And it's just like, it gives it that extra freshness. Now don't spray your underwear, people. Ladies, don't do that, because you're going to be irritated and you're going to be like, well, Raresecretz told me to. No, I didn't tell you to. Not the underwear. You have your underwear and then you have your pants. That's what we're spraying. So, you know, just a little thing I like to do. And I almost forgot, like this, another thing, I got this from Dollar Tree. It's the Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. I keep this in my purse. Because, you know, when you're out, you just want to, you know, freshen up a little bit, you know, wipe your neck off, you know, underneath your arms and, you know, the pocketbook. So, you know, just a little something just to keep fresh. Don't wipe in the pocketbook, just on the outsides of the pocketbook. Don't go in with this, because I don't know what your results may be. You might burn, I'm not sure. So just, you know, don't wipe inside the pocketbook with this, just the outside. And, you know, just keep that in your purse or have a little pouch for when you're traveling. And, you know, just a freshen up pouch. That's what I always keep in my purse. If you guys want to basically, you know, have me do a video of what's my purse, what I carry, you know, around, just let me know. Once again, guys, thank you for letting me share my feminine products haul with you. You know, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't be a stranger. And see you on the next video. See ya.